do not adjust your screen. No, I have not gotten a bunch of colorful tattoos on my arms.
It is exactly what I thought when I walked
I
in the
know,
door.
you said you thought that. No,
I did a
these
double
are
take.
wonderful. I think I've talked about these before, but it's a new gardening season. And I was thinking the other day that yes, I am absolutely obsessed about applying sunscreen. However, there are times when I just, not so much on my face, because I do that automatically in the morning when I put my makeup on, but the rest of me, especially my arms and my hands, when I spray it or when I slather it on, I just don't like that kind of greasy feel. It makes me feel dirty, even though it is doing what it's supposed to do.
It attracts dirt, so you're
Right,
not wrong.
but aha, enter farmer's sleeves, which are protective. I keep these right by the back door. I can easily slip them on and off, just like a pair
Hold on, I want to show
of
you
long gloves.
both this and
Yep.
you take them on and off. So
Okay,
so
okay,
there
yeah.
we go.
And I love them. See, they've got this little thumb hole, so it also protects the area of my hands that gets, well, let's just say it's aging more quickly than the rest of me. But I can put them on. They are easy on, they are easy off, kind of like long evening gloves. And they are lightweight, they are washable. What I really love about them, and by the way, this brand is called Reprieve farmer sleeves, but they're made from recycled plastic bottles, you guys. I think that's pretty incredible. And they come in different patterns. Now, whether or not, so I'm gonna show you, these are the large to extra large, I think. And you might, even if you would typically wear a small, you might want to think about getting the larger ones, because I'm thinking, and we'll try it out right here, I'm thinking these small ones might be a little bit shorter.
Oh, that's the small you got there.
This is the small I've got on now. I had the large ones on.
Definitely seems tighter.
However, no, small should be what I would choose,
Yeah.
because they fit my smaller upper arm. They may be a little bit shorter, but the tension of the elastic band will keep it longer. And look how cute they are.
No, I like it, and this one looks less like a tattoo.
Yeah, and yes, less like a tattoo. And then I can just slip. Let me see if I've got any in here. I didn't plan to
she's
show
going
this.
for the cool jobs.
Yeah, I'm going for my cool jobs, but I think my cool jobs are actually inside. But then I could just slip my cool job gloves over it.
How nice
And
would that have been?
I would look so
We could have
fashionable.
pre-planned that if we'd thought ahead. Huh?
Yeah, we could have planned that. But, that would be outside of my skill set to plan ahead. Okay, so I
That's
love
great.
these. These are farming sleeves, and again, like I say, you can just slip them on, slip them
So
off.
are those two different brands? Is what?
So, well, no, these are
okay.
the same brand. They're just two different sizes, large
okay.
and extra large and small. But since I have two pair, and someone did give me these to try, but I really, really like them, I'm gonna put a pair by the front door and a pair by the back door. That way, just like my garden shoes, I'll always have something I can slip on and off. Okay, let's revisit another Centurion oldie but goodie. Okay, go back in time, Stuart. Do you remember when we did, of any products I think that we were paid to do a video for, this one was one of the best-selling ones ever. This was a battery-operated sprayer, and just by compressing the trigger, it sprayed, and it could spray whatever. I like it because I can put my horticultural vinegar solution in here, and I can really get targeted direction when I'm trying to get my weeds. However, you'll notice it's not making a sound right now. Why? Because I need to change the batteries in it. That is the downside of this one. As much as I loved it, it does require a couple of AA batteries, which I don't like. I don't like to have to change them out. A lot of times they corrode, and I just don't like the waste that they make.
Sure
so,
saves the muscles in your hand, though, right? Yeah.
Right. So I found a new one called Shaboran.
I didn't know you were going to do that. I wasn't even looking.
Okay, so this is a new one called Shaboran, but look, it is rechargeable, and it comes with a recharging cord. So all I have to do is just plug this in. Antidotally, it charged very, very quickly, and there's a charge indicator on top. And
Don't spray Stuart.
can you hear that?
I can hear it.
The thing is, the other reason I like it, especially if you've got arthritic hands or starting to have some mobility issues, it stays on. I don't have to keep pressing it. And then it goes off, and there's many different settings that you can use. So this is now my go-to sprayer. I think it's superior to the other one, and you can use this inside and out. But for me, I just like it for targeting. See, isn't that fun? It's just fun. I like fun things. So there you go. This is my recommendation for that. I've got one more thing that I want to show you, and then we will move on. What, you want one for you?
Well, you're wearing something that people might want to look into.
Oh, I was going, what are you, Stuart kept going like this.
Linda,
what are you doing,
Linda.
Stuart? Are you crossing yourself? Are you giving me a hint? You want one for Christmas?
Well, this is our biggest selling t-shirt, right?
This is our biggest selling t-shirt, and I love it. And I like the simplicity of it because I like to wear this under blazers, under jackets, or whatever. I've worn it with skirts. In fact, mine's getting a little faded. I've worn it so much. And I think, Stuart, is this linked in the products?
It should be below all the videos.
And some of these, and I apologize because we don't personally manufacture these ourselves. Sometimes there's a little bit of a delay in getting them. But
we've gotten the ones
But I
we
think
got.
I think it's worth it. And I actually bought a couple of these, so I really like them. So now I know you were trying to give me hand signals, Stuart. Okay, one more thing I want to show you, and we're going to go back inside.
Hey guys, I'm Leah. I'm Linda's new friend, and I'm excited today. She asked me and Stuart to go shopping for her. One of the things Linda and I talk a lot about is sustainability. And sustainability is first using what you already have in your closet. Second, maybe thrifting for some used pieces, which I love to do. We're gonna pick out a few outfits for Linda, and she's gonna try them on here in a few days. So,
Thrifting for Linda.
Yes, thrifting for Linda. So come thrifting with me. I'll give you some tips and things that I look for, and let's have some fun.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, one of the things I love when I'm thrifting is always looking for linen and cotton pieces. I think linen and cotton are breathable in the summer. They're so comfy. I'll look at what brand it is. This is just a Target brand, so it's okay, but then I'll always look inside and see if it's linen. There's also like fake linen. So this one looks linen, but it's actually 100% rayon. So this is a no for me, and we'll keep going. Okay, Stuart, what do you think about this for Linda?
I swear it seems like something at least the pattern is something she's gotten even recently.
Okay, so maybe it's her vibe. I love it. I kind of want this for myself. I'm also always drawn to like knits and things. Okay, this I kind of love. It's a little bit big, but it looks vintage based on the tag.
Like,
it says it's like a dressing robe, but like honestly, this over something or belted,
it's a cool robe.
It could be really, really cute.
It's very unique. Be a fun thing to wear in the garden, that's for sure.
Okay, let's grab it.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, made well. That's cute. Probably not for today, but it's nice. I really feel like I've almost trained my eye when I'm thrifting to only find like the good fabrics. And I just feel it and I'm like, yes or no. See, here's a little, this looks definitely like it's linen or something. It has some stains on it, so it's probably a no, but let's look. Yeah, 100% cotton. We love cotton. This would be so breathable in the summer. And there's some yellow stains here.
Oh, there they are.
So you could always wash those out. This is Old Navy, so I think we'll pass on it. But a nice breathable cotton. Maybe we'll put it in there and see if we find something that could go with it.
There you go.
It could be a maybe. Okay, so if any of you were around in the 90s, you probably remember that I liked a little bit more. It's very 90s, right? But this is literally the style right now. Also, I think Linda's gonna probably wear these shoes with these outfits because she complimented me on them the other day. So I'm kind of thinking through things that would look cute. Okay, I saw this from across the room.
It's pretty cool.
I mean, I don't know if Linda would wear this, but like these pants, they kind of look like the pants I'm wearing.
Yeah, they kind
I'm
of.
in my green era right now.
That jacket would.
I love those pants. I could wear them with anything. It's polyester and spandex. But isn't it kind of cute?
It's really cool.
Do you think I could rock this?
I like it. Personally, I would say yes.
Like these pants are kind of retro.
Polka
Right
dot
now,
city.
oversized blazers are very in, so we may even take a peek at the men's blazers, see if there's anything that could work, and maybe have it tailored. Okay, now we're in the men's shirts. We just will take a little peruse. Again, I'm always looking for linen, cotton fabrics, and sometimes you can find a really nice oversized men's shirt to wear. It's even cute belted sometimes. These are really nice and breathable. You could roll them up and wear them with Linda's new sleeves too. Be so cute.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing any that really jump out at me today. I, again, love like a good cotton, and I'm not seeing any right now. Okay, let's look at bags. As you see, again, I love a knit crochet vibe, and I see right here, I feel like I could see Linda taking this out of her little cottage garden, getting in her car downtown. I kind of love this.
Cut to a shot. Hey, I love how they do the inside different pattern stuff. It's
And
always
little
neat.
two pockets. That's kind of nice, and it's like really good condition. And the shirt. See how these could go
That
together?
looks a little
And
Linda.
this black bag. It's kind of a vibe.
It is kind of a vibe.
I feel like we got some good fabrics, a good denim skirt. Yeah,
Had a little fun in the
we
process.
had a lot of fun. I can't wait to see Linda try these on and see what works.
Well, I wasn't intending to show you this product, but it's very seasonal, and I was reminded about it. It's one I've showed you before, but I was reminded about it because Stuart was just complaining that he'd lost a very expensive pair of sunglasses, and my friend Leah is here, and I know she's going to want one of these. She is coveting my sunglass organizer. So I've showed you this before. I think I showed it to you when I was in the other house. But here I've got this in my sideboard that's right by my front door. And I just love it because it keeps all of my sunglasses so nicely organized. And I always like to keep, you know.
I was going to ask what that was.
Okay, this is to keep your sunglasses and your glasses clean. So this I also
Is it
keep.
aerosol or just pump?
No, it's just a pump.
Cool.
But I'm terrible about getting fingerprints and dirt and suntan lotion and everything.
The Tom Cruise
So
glasses.
it's kind of a whole kit. I think this would be a great gift. I think it would have made a great Mother's Day gift, but you know what? It even make a great Father's Day gift, great summer birthday gift. You know what else this would make a great gift for? Now I'm compelled to want to do all of my.
All right, let's just stay here and do them
Okay,
all.
let's say, Leah, tell me what you think. With this, if you were going to stay with someone at their beach house and you were their guest.
What a start to a question.
Yeah, if you
We
were.
were going to go to a beach house.
First of all, I want to go too. But let's say you're a guest and you're visiting someone. What kind of great hostess gift would this make for a beach house? And you could deck it out, or even a lake house, and you could deck it out, and you could include, I love gifts that are kits. You know, you could put some of this spray cleaner in here and some of these glass
I think
wipes.
there's probably at least a decent amount of people that would like it if you went and cleaned every single one of them.
Well, you probably, and I would be one of those. But we don't have the time for that, Stuart. People don't have all day to watch these videos. So I love it, and I love the fact that it fits in this drawer, and it's especially handy. It would be great in a mudroom. It would be great in your, I guess, in your women's closet. It just kind of depends on how your little cottage is set up.